Measuring for the insulation and bond and seal needed for the installation. So we've got an air source heat pump there and you've got 2 holes. So what we need to do is you only need bond and seal and Primary Pro insulation. You don't need any through the wall kits or anything, that's all you need. So first thing you do is you measure from the hole to the air source heat pump, times it by 2 for the flow and return. Make sure you add 1 metre of Primary Pro insulation through the wall, so it's 500 each flow and return, so you always add that. So let's do an example. It's 1.5 metres from the hole we're going to do, times by 2, plus the 1 metre is 4 metres. So we need 1 metre of Primary Pro and 1 tube of bond and seal. 1 tube of bond and seal for every 4 metres of Primary Pro. This is another one, so we've got 3 metres to the hole to the air source heat pump. So you need 7 1 metre lengths of Primary Pro and 2 tubes of bond and seal. And that can be anywhere, you've just got to measure it anywhere you need to do, and that's as simple as that. No through the wall kits, just the bond and seal and the Primary Pro. That's all you need.